Hi everyone, it's Nikki here from Craft with Bespoke. Today I'm going to give you your Floral Tip Friday tip of the day. And today we're going to work with eucalyptus. So eucalyptus is one of my favorite plants to work with. I love the smell. I absolutely think it just brings a nice calming vibe. And especially for this style of eucalyptus, it adds a lot of flair to just maybe some of your plain arrangements. It gives you lots of height, and they're very strong linear branches that hold them together. That being said, I'm going to show you just a few things that if you've been in our classes, you've probably heard me tell you, but if not, I'd love to share this knowledge with you. So the first thing is usually these eucalyptus come in long branches like this. And if you like this height and it works with your arrangement, that's great. A lot of times when we're doing lower arrangements, you may want to just have a little piece of eucalyptus sticking up. So that being said, you can actually take this long strand and turn it into 2 pieces of eucalyptus for your arrangement. So what you're going to do is take your floral shears, come right into the middle here and cut just above one of the leaves, okay? What that does is creates basically 2 pieces for you to use in your arrangement. That brings me to the next part of the tip. So when you are using floral foam, and you'll hear me say this a lot, you do not want any of the leaves to be stuck in the foam. So the portion of the branch that you're going to be putting in the foam, you want the leaves to be off of. So one easy and quick tip to use for eucalyptus would be to pinch your 2 fingers here where you want the leaves to come off below and simply pull down on the branch and strip the leaves off that way. It's just a little small flourish trick that helps you just get the leaves off in one foul swoop so you're not picking each leaf off individually. And this can work for other styles of flower as well. Just be careful, obviously, if there's any thorns or thicker branches. But eucalyptus, it really works well. Then you're free to put the eucalyptus directly into your foam, making it quite easy to do. That is my tip of today on eucalyptus. And of course, enjoy that wonderful smell. We'll hopefully see you at the next class.